In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect boards in monday.com. First, open the board where you want to create the connection. Next, click the plus icon at the end of your columns and search for Connect Boards. Select Connect Boards from the list of column types. When the setup window appears, click Select Boards and choose the board or boards you want to connect to your current board. If prompted, you can also create a mirror column to display information from the connected board such as status, due dates, or assigned team members. After selecting your boards and mirror options, click Connect Boards to complete the setup. Now, click any cell in the new Connect Boards column. Search for and select the specific item you want to link from the connected board. The selected items will now be connected, allowing you to access related information across both boards. If you need to display additional details from the connected board, add more mirror columns and choose the data you want to show. That's it. You've successfully connected boards in monday.com. Thanks for watching.